These rods are holding the radiator support square while the fenders are off the car. Here is where the oil filter ended up being relocated. And there's a small custom tray that goes underneath it for drainage. Shifter for the 6L80E was also installed, and the pigtails. The 22-gallon fuel cell is mounted very securely. You will have to open the hood, or excuse me, you will have to open up the trunk to fill up the fuel cell. And in the center there is the battery controller isolator between the two batteries. One battery goes there. One battery goes on the other side, so it's balanced. And there's the double aught, triple aught cables that will go to the engine bay. So, rear two bars for the cage. Here's the output of the headers. The 4-inch aluminum drive shaft was supposed to be installed, but it was found to be too long, so they had to send it back. And there's the pan for the automatic transmission. Let's see. Not on the ground. It's going to be interesting to see if we have a clearance problem on the headers. It doesn't look like it. Plus, with the coilover shocks, we can adjust it. Hopefully no problem at factory height. There's bonus. This is my '99 Firebird. It is in for evaluation. I am contemplating putting it in the 140 mile class at Nevada Open Road Challenge next May. So I decided to bring it in and have them go over it top to bottom, front to back, and make sure it's worthy. It's got 94,000 miles on it. Don't know if this Camaro was in previous bonus shots or not. I don't recognize it. Here is a first gen Firebird who's come in for restoration. Don't know exactly details, but it's come in. Young lady owns this.